In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Outlook account permanently. Whether you're looking to declutter your digital life or simply move on from using Outlook, the steps to close your account are straightforward, and I'll guide you through the process with ease. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Microsoft Outlook webpage. Once you're there, you'll see the option to sign in, which you'll need to click. On the sign in page, go ahead and enter your login details. This typically includes your email address and password associated with your Outlook account. After you've inputted this information, click Next to proceed. Now that you're successfully logged into your Outlook dashboard, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the profile icon, which resembles a small circular image or outline, depending on whether or not you've uploaded a profile picture. Hover over this icon and you'll see a few options appear. What you'll want to do is click on My Profile. After clicking on My Profile, you'll be taken to a page that contains your account details. Start scrolling down until you locate the section titled Your Info. This section is where Microsoft houses various personal information components and settings related to your account. Within Your Info, keep an eye out for the option that reads Close Account. This is the crucial step to begin the process of permanently closing your Outlook account. Remember, closing your account is a significant decision. Once it's closed, you won't be able to access any Outlook services, emails, or data tied to that account. Thus, it's advisable to make sure that you've backed up any essential information you might need before making this decision. And there you have it. Clicking on that Close Account option will lead you through a few final steps and confirmations. Microsoft might ask you to verify your identity to ensure privacy and security. They could also provide information about what happens when you close your account, such as the time frame for recovery if you happen to change your mind. Take the time to read through and understand this before proceeding. Follow through with all confirmations, and your Outlook account will be scheduled for closure. It's always good practice to make sure you've logged out completely and removed any saved passwords on your devices, ensuring a clean break from the service. This brings us to the end of our tutorial. I hope this guide was clear and helpful in walking you through the steps to permanently delete your Outlook account. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and thank you for watching.